Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vital component for several Ricoh printer models, the replacement parts for printer PRTA 13079, specifically the 1 PC copier paper rubbing assembly paper rubbing sleeve. This particular part is engineered to be compatible with a range of Ricoh machines, including the MP4000, 5000B, 5000, 4002, 4001, and 5001, making it a versatile option for those needing to maintain their office equipment. One of the most significant aspects potential buyers need to be aware of is the item's condition. This product comes with a unique disclaimer. It will be sent as either original refurbished or compatible new, and the specific condition is chosen at random. This means that customers cannot select their preferred type, and it's explicitly stated that one should not place an order if this random assignment is a concern. This transparency is crucial, as it sets clear expectations regarding what one might receive. An original refurbished part would typically be a genuine component that has been restored to working order, while a compatible new part is a brand new, non-OEM component designed to function identically. Both options aim to provide the necessary functionality, but the distinction is important for some users. Furthermore, careful attention to detail is paramount before making a purchase. It is strongly advised to meticulously check the item's appearance, size, and color, and to compare it directly with the original part from the machine. The model numbers provided, such as Ricoh MP4000 or 5000, are primarily for reference. Therefore, if the replacement part does not visually match the original component, or if the part number is not identical, it is recommended to refrain from ordering. This diligence helps ensure perfect compatibility and avoids potential installation issues or performance discrepancies. The part operates on a 220V voltage, which is a standard specification for many office machines, and the package content includes one piece of this essential paper rubbing assembly. This component plays a critical role in the paper handling mechanism of the printer, ensuring smooth and consistent paper feeding, which is vital for preventing jams and maintaining print quality. For anyone looking to restore their Ricoh printer's optimal performance, this rubbing assembly offers a practical solution, provided the specific conditions and compatibility checks are thoroughly considered. It represents a functional replacement designed to get compatible printers back into efficient operation.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.